welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney here, and I'm going to be doing a makeup look today for a collab that I'm doing with the Geeks and Beauties Facebook group. A lot of the fantastic ladies are also in that group because we're all like weird and nerdy, and it's like a good time all around. So we're gonna do a tutorial type situation on my eyeballs. So, starting out, I am just using up a sample of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So I'm just gonna do the normal steps: prime, foundation, and then we'll get into the eye stuff. Is anyone else like still really obsessed with Animal Crossing, or is it like just me and Zach? Because like, it's pretty serious addiction. I am using my Milani Conceal and Perfect because that is the only foundation I have right now because I'm on a low buy, so I'm trying not to buy anything until I run out of it. I did fail on that today. I went to Marshall's and I bought something at Marshall's. So, but it was like kind of needed. I mean, like not really. Like I just wanted it. Let's be honest. And it's not a need. If you guys watched my Valentine's Day Get Ready With Me, I use this foundation also. And I talked about how I'm like not the biggest fan of it. That is still the opinion. Ooh, get out of my hair. And yes, I do really badly need to wash my little booty blender. We are gonna conceal / highlight our face before moving on to our eyeballs. And like, I feel this is like true YouTuber status where I'm like kind of look presentable on top and like am wearing yoga pants on bottom. And it's the best thing ever. Because after this, I'm gonna go to my best friend's house and cuddle her dog and look at sonogram photos of her baby. Because I'm very excited about this baby. It's gonna be amazing. Wow. Naturally. So I'm gonna set under my eyes with this Bare Minerals powder that I'm panning right now. This is the Touch Up Veil Broad Spectrum SPF 15 that is translucent. I was using it over my whole face, but it's kind of developed a smell, like it's going bad, kind of. So naturally, I'm gonna put it right under my eye. I'm gonna use it to set my forehead, like where I get really greasy, my nose, and then I did my chin. And then the rest of my face, I am going to just use the Wet n Wild powder. I'm also panning in one of my projects. This is the Photo Focus Press Powder in Warm Light. Look at that freaking pan. It's amazing. It's like a really powdery powder, but it doesn't keep you matte at all, and it kind of actually changes the color of my skin tone because this is warm light instead of just like light neutral. So that's a whole nother story. Okay, so let me explain more about this project. It's technically a project, but I'm doing it as a makeup look because I'm already in so many other projects, but I wanted to join. So for every month, we are actually going to do a makeup look or pan, like a rolling 5 pan for every Sailor, for like all the Sailor Moon characters basically. So March is for Sailor Moon, which is pink and white. So I'm going to do pink and white look. And like I said, this is with the Geeks and Beauties Facebook group, so I will link them down below in the description box, and anybody else that is participating, because I know there are a lot doing panning projects. I just know I couldn't do another one. If you guys have been here, you know I'm doing like 5 at the moment because I'm crazy from feeling so lonely. That's why I'm going to Jen's house, because it's depressing being here all the time, and she only lives like an hour away, so I make it happen. I'm going to set that, and then we are going to just dive in. You ever like go back and like watch shows you watched as a kid and you're just like, what? That's me with Sailor Moon. Because some stuff just comes out so strange, and I feel like it's in the... I feel like it's because of the translation, like from Japanese to English, but I also think it's just kind of how it was written, which I sort of also dig. Trying to decide what I want to do, or what shadows I want to use, mostly. Okay, I'm going to go in my chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate bar palette from Too Faced, and I'm going to use Nougat as a transition shade, and just start kind of layering colors. This is kind of like a pinky nude, nudish brown, so I think it'll work as a transition, and then we'll just go from there. Okay, so I'm going to be using my ColourPop and My Little Pony palettes, because there's a couple of pinks in here that I'm digging, and then I know this matte white will work really well to do the white, so let's just do that. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and dip into Flutterby, which is this one over here, and just add some pink into my crease and over that transition shade and just blend into it basically. And then I'm going to take a more like precise kind of pencil-y brush to darken up my outer V and crease with Sky Dancer, which is this pink right here. I'm in a group chat. Trying to make brunch plans. It's not going so good. There's like 9 of us trying to all get the same day off of work. Like, why did we think that was going to work out? But one of our friends is engaged, so we want to go to brunch and like see each other, because we haven't all seen each other in a really long time. And yeah, just kind of winging it. I am just blending those together now, and they got kind of like muddy. I don't really enjoy that. This eye looks more purple to me. Do you see it? Or is it just in my mind? It might just be in my mind. Let's be honest. A lot of things are just in my mind. I'm going to take my, this is a BH Cosmetics brush, but it's just this flat kind of shader brush. And I am going to put down a little bit of concealer and give a little bit of a base for the white shadow. Like I'm kind of doing a cut crease, but girl, you know I'm not that talented. 2 eyes. Right now it's actually looking okie dokie. I'm low-key surprised if you can hear it in my voice. And then I'm going to take this white shade and I'm going to just pop it all over the place. This is the shadow in Bluebell, even though it's white. The names of these shadows don't make any sense in this palette. Any sense at all. It is fine though. I guess. I think it's stupid, but whatever. But are bluebells the flowers that are white? I could have sworn they were blue. Like they're the little blue ones. Aren't they? They like hang over or hang down. I'm going to find a picture and insert it, and then you guys can tell me if I'm wrong. I know some of you guys that watch me are gardeners, so you can just help me out. I am going to be using the white as well in my All About Bronze palette from Essie, and I am going to get the shadow a little bit wet and see how that affects the shimmer. Ooh, no, it's not good. Oh, that was a big fail. What if we use the other side? The most fail. Don't get your Essie shadows wet. They don't like that. Alright, well, it's still okay. We're just gonna wash that brush, pretend like it didn't happen. Yeah, got some hard pan. It's cool. I needed to use my fingers to tap a little bit more on there, like that. I am going to run some pink under my lash line really quick, so hang on. Okay, I'm going to be using the lightest pink, this one over here, and I am just going to take that like skinny brush again and just kind of dust it under there. Most likely anyone that's watching this is like, we've seen this tutorial like 4 times on your channel. But like, I don't care. Because this is just like what I've been wearing constantly. Okay. I worship you, I know you're here, so close to me. Nobody knows what I'm talking about. I wish that y'all, actually some of you might know, maybe. And my mom, when we were growing up, we like watched a lot of Bob Hope movies with like Dorothy Lamour and Bing Crosby, and it caused an obsession within me that I cannot get over. That's like, it's what it is, you know. I'm going to do my brows really quick off camera and then come back and we'll finish my face. Okay, just because I want to know what will happen, I'm going to use a pink eyeliner where the white shadow is and then a white eyeliner where the pink shadow is. Do a little bit of a ombre, you know what I mean? And we'll just see. If I remember correctly, this actually dries down a little bit purple. So we'll just have to figure it out as we go. Okay. I think I might just go over it all the way with the pink because the white is kind of annoying. So I'm going to let that dry and then I'm going to go over it. But in the meantime, I'm going to use the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Over the Moon, which has a really pretty pinky blue reflect. As my highlight, I'm going to go over that liner now with pink again. Okay, now that we're pink all the way across, I am going to do some mascara and some highlighter, and then we'll do my lip and we'll be done. So, like I said, I am going to use this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, and like, y'all see that? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And I know a lot of people didn't like these because they were really glittery, but like, honestly, I'm dying. I'm living, breathing. What is it? Gagging? Is that what everyone is saying now? Living, breathing, gagging? I think that is actually quite gross. But if that was something I would say it about this highlighter. It's just so nice. And obviously, it's not a subtle everyday wear. But like, what? I don't even care. It pairs really well with the NYX Duochromatic Highlighter in Lavender Steel, which is what we're going to pop on top. And it is like the same kind of shift. So it's super pretty. It's amazing. Just gonna just make a little brushy brush. Woo! Woo! Because I feel like Sailor Moon is glittery and cute and all the above. Get a little here, get a little here, get a little over here. It's freaking add it all over my face. Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. You ever just like douse your face in highlight and then realize you actually have to leave the house? Because same. I'm not going to wear falsies today because, like I said, I'm going to my friend's house after this, so I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm going to be lining my lips with the BH Cosmetics Waterproof Lip Liner in Rosy. Just a nice pink. And then I'm actually going to take the Urban Decay, this is called Big Bang. It's a metallized lip color. It's a pink glitter. And it is everything. So, this is my final pink and white Sailor Moon inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link everybody else down below, like I said, and go check out their projects or their makeup tutorials. And I hope you guys are having a really great day. I will try to list everything I use down below in the description box as well. But if I forget, forgive me. I love you guys so much, like I already said, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, everyone.